Hey everybody, it's T-Smitty Inc. And for today's video, I will show you how to reformat a USB flash drive. Now this is very simple, and I'm using a Windows PC for this example. So first up, you want to plug your USB flash drive into your PC. You're going to hear a little noise there. It's going to pop up. I'm using a Patriot drive, a Patriot Quick Drive, 16 gig. So you're going to exit out of that, and we're going to do this by clicking the Windows Start button. And you're going to go to Documents. So once you click that, you are going to go down to Patriot E, should be the second one here, and you want to right click, go to Format right here. Once you click Format, it's going to show you your capacity, your file system, and your allocation size. So basically, there's different options here for the file system. You can choose any one you want, but if you want the most universal file type, I definitely recommend FAT32. That way you can transfer files between Macs and PCs flawlessly with no issues. Your capacity should already be at max. Allocation size, I would always use the default or what it comes up to first. And what you want to do is, after that's all good, you want to click Quick Format and you want to click Start. And it's going to warn you because anything you have on this flash drive will be deleted. This video is meant for people who have flash drives who have become corrupt and unable to be used. So just click OK. It's going to take it a minute, and then it's going to say Format Complete. So after that, your USB flash drive should be all set. Now I'm going to right click on my drop down here, Open Devices and Printers, and we're going to look for the Patriot memory. And just make sure everything's all set here. Hardware, yep. Click Properties. So it says this device is on and properly working, and you should be able to transfer files. So I'll show you how to get to it. Go back to the Start, Documents, and Patriot E. And it should be all set now. So you always want to make sure to eject your USB flash drive. So you want to right click on the Devices and Printers tab here and eject your USB. You can unplug it, and there you go. That's how you properly reformat a USB flash drive. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe.